What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video we are making, well, we're not making a wig. I actually made this wig already, but we are installing this 5x5 HD closure wig that I made. So as y'all can see right here, I did not do the ball cap method. I just did not feel like it, and I just honestly wanted to see how it would look without actually doing the ball cap method. I didn't watch so many videos of people just throwing on a cap and throwing on a wig, and honestly I just didn't have the time. Well, I had the time, I just didn't want to do it. I just wanted to try this out to see how it looked, but it came out straight. You can kind of still see the cap a little bit, but at the end of the day, ain't nobody supposed to be all in your face. Like, I don't know how many times I'm gonna stress this. Ain't nobody supposed to be all in your face. So of course, you know, I put the makeup on the cap where the lace gonna lie, and I put the makeup under the lace so it can match, so I can try to get that that scalp effect going on. Alright, so right here all I'm doing is cutting off like the lace on the side. I don't know if y'all can see it, like that little barrier part, because the lace did come a little above the actual cap when I made the wig, but it's not supposed to be so much, but just like a little bit. Yeah, so I cut that part off, and right here I'm just seeing how it looks, and like I was okay with it. I was like, yeah, I'm not doing a ball cap method, I'm gonna just leave it like this or whatnot. So I'm just combing out my potential baby hairs that I pulled out already, and we're about to lay this bad boy down. So all I'm gonna do is use some Ghost Bond glue, and I like this glue honestly better than the Erica J, only because it don't dry so fast. Erica J glue, that mug dry too quick for me. Like, it gets clear too fast, and I be having to put on multiple layers with Erica J because I'm too slow to hurry up and lay my lace down. So it's nothing against her glue, it dries too quick for me. So I use the Ghost Bond glue, and all I'm doing is using 2 layers of glue right here. Alright, so right here I'm just making sure that it was sticking in the right spots and where I need to cut and how far. or if I needed to pick it up and glue it, but I was okay with where it lay down at. So I'm just cutting under, trying my best not to cut most of the baby hairs that I pulled out. But there goes the lace. And right here I'm just tacking it down, just whatever little pieces that didn't stick with the got to be spray and blow drying it some more. And then y'all gonna see me attempting to do these baby hairs. Alright, y'all seen the struggle, but I think that's as good as it's gonna get. So I'm gonna spray it one more time, and then I'm gonna blow dry it a little bit, and then I'm gonna go ahead and apply some makeup, because I did have some black dots still showing, even though I bleached my closure twice and I still had a lot of black dots. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of makeup and seeing if I can cover, you know, some of it, at least most of it. Try to hide the lace a little bit, and we're gonna go ahead and melt this thing one more time by putting the elastic band on top. And then I'll come back to y'all after I done apply my lashes and after I do my eyebrows and put some lip gloss on, so I can at least look decent. I be looking so barefaced without all this. Like, I have to have my lashes now. That's crazy. Like, before High school, I wasn't worrying about all that. But now I need my lashes. I need my lip gloss. I need my eyebrows done. But yeah, I'll be back to come back and talk to y'all. Alexa, pause. Alright, so you know your girl had to come back. The eyebrows with the lashes with the lip gloss right quick, right fast. Y'all, this is my first time ever wearing a closure wig. I never ever in my life. Oh shit, I always put that shit too tight on my ear. I never ever worn a closure wig ever. Like, I was always the type to have a frontal. Like, I never did have a closure wig. But I'll tell y'all one thing, your girl about to start wearing these closure wigs. I don't know what I was sleeping on, because sis was sleeping. But let me just take some of this whiteness out of here. Right quick. Whew. I think I like it. This piece right here is aggravating me. So let me cut that. Let me cut that. Because it's annoying me. Cut, bitch. Hope I ain't cut some. I think I did. Cut some of my thread. This your girl first time wearing a closure wig. Your first time making a closure wig. How y'all think I did? Wait, what is this? I just be cutting and cutting, not paying attention. This hair is by Lemon. Let me see. Cause I got the bag. Lemoda, Lemoda hair. Y'all can see. This the bag it came in. They sent me lashes. I'm not sure if I'm gonna wear these or not, but they cute. I usually like my lashes when they start off short and then they come out. Like, I don't like lashes like this, so I might, like, you know, try to trim the ends, but I like it when it start off short and then it get big or whatever. They sent me a this is some stuff I threw in the bag. They sent me lashes. They sent me a wig cap. I wish they would have sent me an elastic band. This wig do not have an elastic band on it, so the only thing holding it down is the glue that I put. This hair is so fucking pretty. Look at this. And I have in a what I have in 20-inch frontal. Well, I say frontal, 5x5. 20-inch 5x5 closure, and it's an HD closure. 20, 22, 24. And it oh shoot, I don't know why I do that. Like, y'all can see my full body, but hold on, I'm about to show y'all how far it reach. This is crazy. It's giving me frontal. Like, it really is, but I'm so used to wearing my hair like just back like this. I mean, it really don't even look bad because I can kind of like pull out my edges and make some more. Most likely what I would do. But y'all, this hair is so pretty, and this fucking hair keep getting in my mouth. Keep getting in my mouth. Y'all, I'm proud of myself, y'all. Like, y'all see the growth. Your girl is getting better, even with the baby hair. Like, this one driving me, but this one I can fix a little bit. But even with the baby hairs, y'all, come on now. My baby hair is getting better. My plug game is getting better. But let me show y'all how this is aggravating. Like, I really got hair all in my fucking mouth, and my wig is laying so flat. I'm so proud of myself. Like, I did that, and I didn't film it because, y'all, this would be my 4th wig I ever made. I'm so excited. Okay, so y'all, excuse my bathroom, y'all. Like, every time I do my hair, every single time I do my hair, my sink is just a mess. Everything is just a mess. So let me show y'all how long this hair is. So the hair comes down. This is my waist, high-waisted jeans. This is my waist. So it stop about right here, the longest pieces. The back. I love whenever my hair reaches like right above the butt. Like, come on. But y'all, I'm excited about this hair, this wig. And I only put 2 layers down because I feel like I'm gonna be wanting to take it on and off at night. So I need to invest in an elastic band, and then I can just throw the wig on. This was a HD closure. It was pre-plugged, but I went in and plugged some more, but not too much because I was going for this look. So it didn't really, I don't know, I feel like it really didn't pay for me to pluck too much. I bleached the knots twice, and I still see the dots in it. And I tried to cover it up with makeup, and it's not, where's my powder? Where's the powder? I tried to cover it up with makeup, and it didn't do. So let me try this powder right quick. Where's that little brush? Make sure. Even the powder, it's not even picking up the powder. I don't know, but I'm not tripping on that though. I'm just so excited that it's giving me frontal. Like, it's giving me frontal. And look at the shine. Oh, I used this to flatten my hair. The only thing I washed was my frontal. I didn't even wash the bundles before I put it in my hair, which I should have, and I know better. But I don't know. I don't know why I didn't. Honestly, I really don't know why I didn't. But yeah, I feel like every time I go to close, it's like I can't never say what I want to say. But y'all, this is the final look. 5x5 HD closure wig that I made myself, and I'm so proud of myself. Let me know if y'all like this look. Let me know any videos y'all want me to make, colors y'all want me to try or whatnot. Anything that I can do to better myself with making wigs, any tips that y'all see, especially with the baby hairs. I'm getting there, y'all. I'm really getting there. I'm trying. I'm really trying. But leave me tips, like, for real. Hair companies, leave me hair companies. Any type of videos y'all want me to do, like, y'all just let me know. Like, for real, let me know. And thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for being subscribed to my channel. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.